Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin now by aligning posture and gathering water energy. Do not pause. Stand shoulder width, knees soft, and hold 0. 5 1-liter water in cupped hands. You breathe on a 4-in, 6-out rhythm to sync motion and calm the nervous system. Once steady, rotate wrists slowly to create a steady stream sensation. This starts your flow. Make sure to feel the weight and micro shifts. They guide hand placement. Move with intent, not speed, because control builds fluid technique. You deepen the practice by connecting lower body and hands. Shift weight 60 to 40 between legs as your palms circle the water. Once done, alternate which palm leads to redirect flow smoothly and keep that breath steady. Breath anchors timing and prevents splashes. Make sure to twist from the hips, not the shoulders, so power comes from the core and the hands remain supple. You should feel a continuous loop of movement. If not, slow down and exaggerate transitions. You complete the sequence by decelerating deliberately. Reduce the circle size and return weight to an even stance. Once done, bring hands together and gently compress the water into a still cup to seal the flow. This closes the loop and trains precision. Make sure to reset posture and breathe out slowly to discharge tension. If things go wrong, splashing or loss of balance, shrink your circle to 1/2, slow the breath, and rebuild rhythm before increasing speed.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.